Professional. So memang very impressed dengan the professionalism of the team. Memang sangat-sangat puas hati dengan hasil kerja Cantik Wall. I think both my wife and I, we are very happy with the result. I think a lot of hard work, a lot of discussion has happened before we get to this. So rasanya memang bila tengok the final outcome tu, alhamdulillah lah, memang berpuas hati and kata ikut apa yang kami nak bila kita start the project. So thanks to the team. I think alhamdulillah, memang very happy lah dengan the result. Untuk recommendation memang even now pun I dah start recommend Cantik Wall to my friends, my family members, mana-mana yang tengah nak cari company untuk help with their own renovation works. I think because like I cakap awal tadi, kita memang happy dengan result of the work done by the team. So based on that, kita nak recommend kat orang pun lebih confident lah. So I think after seeing the final outcome or final result of the work, memang insyaAllah moving forward, kalau orang tanya, definitely I will recommend Cantik Wall. Professional. So memang very impressed dengan the professionalism of the team. Everything is communicated clearly. Kalau kita ada soalan, explain in detail by the team. We have a meeting and follow up by minutes of meeting to make sure that everything is captured correctly. So all that shows that the team memang take the work seriously lah. So it's not just about the physical work of doing the labour on the house. The preparation before we get to that stage pun, all the meetings, all the discussions, all being minuted shows that the team memang conduct themselves professionally. So I think that is very important, especially when the client is looking at doing major work to the house. So all that helps to provide confidence to the client that what they want can be realised.